Here we go. We're moving now. What?
Yep.
Yeah. We would have been on. We would have been at the front on the way back anyway.
I just realized.
On the way back, let's do that.
Yeah, the +2. You know what I just realized? I can still hear. There's 2 Canadian dish and cars back there.
Yeah. Plus, so we can explore this area too on after this. Mommy.
Right.
This is the main museum area. Sometimes they run that.
Oh yeah. That would be cool. That would be cool. There's their New Haven RS1.
That's what we would if they had cab rides.
D&H.
Mm-hmm.
Then X New Haven RS3. New Hope and Ivyland RS3. And I just realized now, no one is controlling up here in the front. They're actually controlling it in the back.
No. Oh yeah.
Once again, it's not much really.
There's their other operational engine.
Yep, coming up is the new Union Pacific one.
There's the Metro North.
The normal train. The train that will take us up to Wasig. It's pretty much that exact same kind of train too.
Yep, pretty much later today. Oh, CT Rail.
Oh, the CT Rail locomotive one.
Yeah, but it's covered up behind you.
Yeah.
I like that.
What?
That diesel. Not the blue one.